everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another tutorial. So I'm gonna show you today how to create this look using the Morphe palette, and it's basically just a blue, purple and green look, which is inspired by peacocks, which I've always really loved the feathers and I always thought they looked so beautiful. So I thought I would do a look inspired by them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Bye! Hi everyone, so because I'm not sure about the fallout with these colors, I'm gonna play it safe and go for applying the eyeshadow first. So we'll just jump right into it. So I'm gonna use this Morphe palette today, and I think I'm gonna have a look at the colors and then decide what I want to wear today, and then I'll go through that process with you though as we go along. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna take, I think, will be that color called Rendezvous, which is a nice royal blue color. So this one right here. And what I'm gonna do is just pat this color onto my eyelid. Wow, it's very beautiful. So just pat a little bit of that color on. I think I'm gonna spruce today's look up a little bit and use a few different colors. So I was also thinking of using this color called Crush. So this color right here, this beautiful purple color. And what I'm gonna do is basically put that on the outer corner of my lid. So all I'm doing is patting the color into the eyelid, and there doesn't seem to be much fallout today, which is very good. And the purple seems to be very good at sticking to the primer on my eyelid, so that's good. I am very impressed with the color payoff of this palette. I think it looks beautiful already. Okay, so the next color I am gonna go for is called Devoted. So that's this one right here, this beautiful green color. So what I'm gonna do is place that color into my crease. So I'm just placing this green color into my crease. It's looking a little bit jagged, so what I'm gonna do is just try to blend that as much as possible. It's a common occurrence with these types of brushes. As you can see, I haven't shown you my brushes because I use the same ones every time, and I just thought it would be rather repetitive to keep showing you them when I use the same brush every time. And if you're curious about what brush I use, I can always link a list down below in the description and you can check it out there if you wish. They're also not very expensive brushes, so they're really on the affordable side, to be honest, for makeup brushes that is. So I'm just gonna try and blend this eye out, and I've noticed I got a little bit too excited and applied too much eyeshadow here, so I'm just trying to blend it out as much as I can and get it smooth. Wow, the colors look amazing. I'm so excited about this palette. So I'm gonna apply some more of that crush color because I've noticed it's not showing up as much as I would have liked it to. So I'm just putting that on the outer corner again, trying to blend it in with the blue, make it show up a little more. I really love purple, it's my absolute favorite color. It's amazing. But I thought I would use quite a few different colors today because, I don't know, it just felt a little bit extravagant today, so why not look extravagant? Okay, I'm gonna apply that same Rendezvous color again, just to brighten it up a little bit. And also just to blend it out, just to make sure it's all nice and smooth and just blended really well. There we go. I'm gonna go in with Knockout, which will be my highlight color, which is this one. And just applying this to the brow bone and the inner corner or tear duct, just to brighten up these areas. So I'm just applying a little more and just trying to blend it in with the rest of the colors. Just so I can still have that highlight, but also so that it blends in with the entire eye makeup. Okay, so that highlight is really bright. I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented actually. There we go. So what I'll apply next will be my primer, my foundation, my blush, my eyebrows, and everything to do with my eyes. So my eyeliner, my mascara, my falsies, and my lipstick. So the full shebang. So that's what's to come next. Okay, so what I've decided I would like to do is to put the blue and the purple on the bottom of my eyes. So what I'm going to do is just take this flat eyeshadow brush and then I'm going to apply that same color, the Rendezvous, this one, and the purple color called Crush, which is this one. So I'm just going to apply that on the bottom of my eyes because I thought, you know, it would look really nice if it had some at the bottom too. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So the blue is kind of in the middle of the bottle. I mean, on the lid it's in the middle. So I'm just going to copy the same positioning so it looks the same. And I think this would make the look really pop, and honestly this is one of my absolute favorite looks I've ever done. Plus a lot of this was on the spur of the moment, so you know, I was just trying to wing the look, you know, try to think on my feet rather than planning, because I just feel like things turn out real good when you kind of make a happy accident. And I know that's a Bob Ross quote, but it's true. So I'm just gonna apply that purple right here. Wow, it looks so beautiful. The amount of pigments that you get for this palette is amazing. Anyone who loves like bright colors like me, I really highly recommend this for you. It's really, really good. And when I say it's really good because I have quite high standards. I always use Urban Decay, you know, the high-end brand, which, yeah, you get what you pay for really with certain brands. It's not always that you don't get what you pay for. So I've had this experience with Urban Decay, so that's why I only ever used Urban Decay. And now this one was fairly affordable, which I thought, wow, this is amazing. I am so incredibly happy with how colorful this is and how, you know, you can just create anything and you can still look good. So yeah, it's a win-win. Yeah, I'm really, really excited. I love color. I just always have, and this look is actually inspired by peacocks, so because they're always bright and colorful and their feathers are so beautiful. Hi everyone, so this is how the look turned out. So I'm just gonna do a real close-up so you can see. Wow, I'm absolutely impressed with the color payoff of this palette. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love the blue, I love the purple, I love the green, it's so beautiful. And as I've said before, this look is really inspired by peacocks because I absolutely love their feathers and I think they're so beautiful. So I really took inspiration from that. So as you can see, it's very bright and very pigmented. It's very beautiful. I am highly impressed with this palette and I would highly recommend anybody who loves bright colors like this. And I put the purple lips on this time, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I just thought this was a really fun little tutorial to make just on a spur of the moment, and yeah, I had a great time. So look forward to seeing some more content. I have so many amazing ideas that I want to share with you, so please keep your eyes peeled for some more amazing content and some really helpful and good tutorials. If there's anything that you want to see from me, as in you want to see how I do contouring, or you want to see my skincare routine, or you want to see how I do my eyebrows or my eyelashes, I can do more in-depth tutorials to show you this. So yeah, just comment down below if you want to see anything that I don't usually do, and that will really help me with my content. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you next time. Bye!